Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Facebook and going straight to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. This puts you in the place where contact info is controlled. Once there, make sure you are using the account that contains the phone number and email you want removed. If two-factor authentication or a password prompt appears, enter it. This protects your account and allows edits. Now locate contact info or personal information in the profile section. That menu is where you will remove each entry. Now you remove the specific entries. Tap the email address or phone number, then select Remove or Edit and follow the confirmation prompts. You might be asked to verify the change with your password or a code sent to another contact method. That is standard to prevent unauthorized edits. Make sure you have at least one alternate login method available. Avoid locking yourself out. Once removed, check the list again to confirm the entry is gone, and there are no hidden secondary emails or numbers. Finish by verifying that the removed phone and email no longer appear in contact info and that login and recovery options still work. Once done, update your privacy settings so future contact details aren't visible to everyone. This reduces accidental re-exposure. If Facebook prevents removal because it's your primary login, add another login method first, then remove the old one. If problems persist, use the account help tools or request a code resend. That usually clears verification roadblocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.